What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I want to talk about real quick why Peerfly is shutting down. Another one bites the dust, another affiliate network that is no longer continuing their services. So 3 days ago I got this email about a new chapter for Peerfly. It was July 29th. You, me, hundreds of other people in my Facebook group got this message and everybody was quite surprised. Peerfly, one of the networks that has been around for a long time. Beginners usually start either at Max Bounty or at Peerfly, but Peerfly is no more, and this is the letter they send out to their affiliates. After nearly 11 wonderful years, Peerfly will be discontinuing normal operations on Wednesday, July 31st, 2019, and will be closing the Peerfly affiliate network. Very sad, of course, it was a hard decision, blah, blah, blah. The team, they're going to reallocate the team, or the team is going to do something else. Why is Peerfly closing? This is the reason why I made this video. In my webinar, I talk about it for like 10-15 minutes. The industry is changing, the internet is changing fast. If you're not able to adapt, you're going to be left behind. It's that simple. And Peerfly didn't adapt fast enough to the new ecosystems. Very sad. What I noticed was maybe 2 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, they made the change from their original hosting system for their offers. So they didn't use Cake, they didn't use Has offers, they used something custom built. It was usually a very unique feature. I've made videos on Peerfly before on my channel, and what you can see is that it looks quite different. Then they moved to Has offers like 4 weeks ago. It's kind of a weird change, but yeah, it's a sign of adaptation. But now this news, they didn't go fast enough. So they say the model that Peerfly was no longer represents the most efficient or cost-effective method for generating new sales and leads for advertisers. Over the years, many advancements in online marketing have created new low barriers of entry for businesses who want to control their market internally. Platforms like Facebook have dominated the ability to precisely target, blah, blah, blah. Basically, a story how they did not adapt fast enough. When do I need to pass my links? Well, as of 31st of July, which has already happened. Will I still get paid? They made over 50,000 payments since they started. You need to require $50 threshold. By Wednesday, 31st of July, you will receive a payment regularly net 30. What's next for the Peerfly team? We'll be sure to keep you updated on our future internet marketing ventures. So they might do something else. Yeah, very sad to hear, but this is business. This is what I want to tell you guys, even in affiliate marketing. So this year, Mundo Media, Kobe Digital, and now Peerfly, they're falling one by one because they're not able to adapt to change when change is required and change is happening. Very sad, very important. Just so everybody knows, there's no longer a need to run Peerfly offers. Any Peerfly video I've made in the past, I'm gonna keep it on YouTube just for inspirational purposes, but obviously they no longer have any value because you cannot execute on the Peerfly network anymore because it's over. So I just wanted to give this short update to you guys so everybody knows that Peerfly.com is done affiliate marketing wise. I hope that the team, especially Luke, which I've talked to with his forum, find new ventures to invest in, to develop and grow, and maybe we'll see them again in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.